Welcome to Cambridge English Language Institute. This is Ansar Ahmad. In today's video, I am going to talk about English Grammar Series, lecture number 8. Before this video, I have already uploaded 7 lectures which contain nouns and its kinds. Today, our topic is pronoun. What does the word pronoun mean? Pro means in place of, or we may also say that instead of. Noun means naming word. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. In place, we may also say instead of a noun. To avoid means to remove the repetition of a noun in a sentence. For example, Omar is a teacher. Omar is a noun here. Omar is replaced by the word pronoun he. So we may say that he teaches bio. Next we have antecedent. What is antecedent? The noun which is replaced by a pronoun is called antecedent. Here, Umar is a noun which is replaced by the word pronoun he. So he is a pronoun. Umar is what? Umar is antecedent. Next we have Sana is a cook. Sana is a noun which is replaced by the pronoun she. So she is what? A pronoun. She cooks food. Here Sana is what? Antecedent. And she is what? She is a pronoun. Let's talk about kinds of pronoun. Pronouns are divided into 11 kinds. The first one is called personal pronoun. Second is reflexive pronoun. Emphatic pronoun. Pronoun number third. Emphatic pronoun. Fourth one, demonstrative pronoun. Fifth one, indefinite pronoun. Six, interrogative pronoun. Seven, distributive pronoun. Eight, reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun. 9, relative pronoun. 10, relative compound pronoun. 11, possessive pronoun. Next video, I'll talk about one by one.